Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to work together with team members or clients on design projects in real time, making the creative process much more efficient and streamlined. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. This will take you directly to Adobe Express's online platform where all your projects and design work are stored. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. Now scroll down the page until you see a section labeled Recent Files. This area displays all the projects you've been working on lately. To access your complete library of files, click on View All. This expands your file view and gives you access to every project you've created or worked on in Adobe Express. Next, browse through your projects and select the one you want to collaborate on. Once you've found it, look for the three dotted lines icon associated with that project. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your file. From this menu, select Share. This is the gateway to inviting others to work on your project with you. After clicking Share, you'll see a dialog box appear with a search field. This is where you'll enter the collaborator's email address or name. Type in their email address or start typing their name. If they're already in your Adobe contacts, then press Enter. Adobe Express will recognize the person you're trying to add and prepare to send them an invitation. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu right beside where you entered their information. Click on this drop-down menu and select Can Edit from the options presented. This permission level is crucial because it determines what your collaborator can actually do with the project. By choosing Can Edit, you're giving them full access to make changes, add elements, and contribute meaningfully to the design. Finally, click the Invite to Edit button to send the invitation. Your collaborator will receive an email notification with a link to access the project. Once they accept, they'll be able to work on the design alongside you, seeing changes in real time and contributing their own ideas and edits. And that's it. You've successfully set up collaboration in Adobe Express, allowing you and your team to work together seamlessly on creative projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.